Business Intelligence Lecture 1. Today we will learn about Introduction to Business Intelligence. What is business intelligence? The role of business intelligence in decision-making. Business intelligence architecture. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence refers to the use of data analysis tools and techniques to collect, integrate, analyze, and present business information. The aim of BI is to help organizations make better decisions by providing insights into their operations, markets, customers, and competitors. BI typically involves the use of data warehouses or data marts, which are large repositories of data that have been cleaned, transformed, and organized for analysis. Data can come from a variety of sources, including operational systems, external databases, and social media. BI tools enable user to query the data, generate reports, and create visualizations, such as charts, graphs, and dashboards. BI can be used for a variety of purposes, including 1. Monitoring business performance. 2. Identifying trends and patterns. 3. Forecasting future outcomes. 4. Identifying opportunities for improvement. 5. Supporting decision-making processes. 6. Enhancing operational efficiency. The role of business intelligence in decision-making. Business intelligence plays a crucial role in decision-making by providing valuable insights into the data that organizations collect. BI tools and techniques can help decision-makers to identify patterns, trends, and opportunities that are not immediately visible through traditional reporting methods. Here are some specific ways that BI can support decision-making. 1. Data integration. BI can integrate data from multiple sources to provide a comprehensive view of the organization's operations. This can include data from internal systems such as CRM, ERP, and financial systems, as well as external data such as market. 2. Data analysis. BI can provide sophisticated analysis of data, including predictive modeling, statistical analysis, and data mining. This can help decision makers to identify patterns and trends that can inform their decision-making. 3. Visualization. BI tools can create visualizations such as charts, graphs, and dashboards that help decision makers to understand complex data quickly and easily. This can help decision makers to identify key metrics and trends and to monitor performance in real time. 4. Scenario planning. BI can be used to run simulations and scenario planning exercises that can help decision makers to understand the potential impact of different decisions. Research, social media, and competitor analysis. 5. Collaboration. BI tools can support collaboration by allowing decision makers to share insights and analysis with each other. This can help decision makers to work together more effectively and to ensure that decisions are based on a shared understanding of the data. Business intelligence architecture. Business intelligence architecture refers to the structure and components of a BI system. Architecture is designed to support the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of data in a way that is efficient, scalable, and secure. Here are the key components of a typical BI architecture. 1. Data sources. BI architecture begins with data sources, which can include internal systems such as ERP, CRM, and financial systems, as well as external sources such as market research, social media, and third-party databases. 2. ETL, extract, transform, and load ETL tools are used to extract data from these sources, transform it into a standardized format, and load it into a data warehouse or data mart. ETL tools can also be used to clean and validate the data to ensure its quality and integrity. 3. Data warehouse. Data mart. A data warehouse or data mart is a large repository of data that has been cleaned, transformed, and organized for analysis. The data warehouse stores historical data, while data marts store data specific to a particular department or business unit. 4. BI tools. BI tools are used to query the data, generate reports, and create visualizations such as charts, graphs, and dashboards. BI tools include ad hoc reporting tools, OLAP online analytical processing tools, and data mining tools. 5. Analytics. Analytics tools are used to perform advanced analysis of the data, including predictive modeling, statistical analysis, and data mining. These tools enable users to identify patterns and trends in the data and to forecast future outcomes. 6. Presentation layer. The presentation layer is where users interact with the BI system. This can include web-based portals, mobile applications, and desktop applications. The presentation layer allows users to access reports, dashboards, and visualizations, and to perform ad hoc queries. 7. Security. Security is a critical component of BI architecture. Access to the data is controlled through user authentication and authorization, data encryption, firewall protection, and intrusion detection are also used to protect the data from unauthorized access or attacks. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative videos.